Assalamualaikum dear students. Definitely all of you are happy at your places. I am your physics teacher. My name is Nazakat. Now I am going to explain with you summer vacation task of 10 class. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will discuss chapter number 11 sound. So in this video I will discuss about following topics of chapter number 11 sound. This portion consists of 4 worksheets. First, I am going to discuss topics of 6 worksheets which consist of sound, production of sound, mechanical nature and last one reflection of sound. First, I am going to discuss what is sound. Sound is a form of energy that travels in the form of waves from one place to another. So the very first topic is about sound waves. In this topic, we will discuss why sound is called wave. Sound is a form of wave due to following reason. Number 1, sound shows reflection like waves. Number 2, sound shows refraction like waves. Number 3, sound shows diffraction like waves. So next one, what is stethoscope? How doctors use stethoscope? Stethoscope is a device which is used to measure heartbeats. Stethoscope obtained on the transmission of sound from the chest piece, air-filled hollow tube to the listener ear. The chest piece usually consists of a plastic disc called a diaphragm. Very important question for exam point of view. According to this topic, why are sound waves called mechanical waves? Sound waves called mechanical wave because mechanical waves are the wave which required any medium for their propagation. So sound also required any material medium for their propagation. So due to this reason, sound waves called mechanical waves. And last one, reflection of sound. What is reflection of sound? When sound is incident on the surface of a medium, it bounces back into the first medium. This phenomena is called echo or reflection of sound. Is there any difference between echo and reflection of sound? There is no difference between echo and reflection of sound because when sound falls on the surface of medium, then it bounces back to first medium. This is called echo and reflection of sound. We can hear every echo, but we cannot hear each reflection of sound. So we can say that every echo is reflection of sound, but every reflection of sound is not an echo. Now I will discuss topics of 7th worksheet, which consist of loudness of sound, pitch of sound, quality of sound, and last one, noise. First, I am going to discuss very first characteristic of sound, loudness. What is loudness? Loudness is a characteristic of sound by which loud and faint sound can be distinguished. On what factor loudness is depend upon? Loudness is depend upon the following 3 factors. Number 1, amplitude of the vibrating body. Number 2, area of the vibrating body. Number 3, distance from the vibrating body. Next one, pitch. Pitch is the characteristic of sound by which we can distinguish between a shrill and a grave sound. So next one, quality. The characteristic of sound by which we can distinguish between two sounds of same loudness and pitch is called quality. Very important question for exam point of view. According to this topic, why the voice of woman is more shrill than that of man? The voice of woman is more shrill than that of man because it depends upon frequency. A higher pitch means higher frequency and vice versa. The frequency of the voice of ladies and children is higher than that of men. Therefore, the voice of ladies and children is shrill and of high pitch. Due to this reason, the voice of the woman is more shrill than that of men. What is noise? Some sound produce unpleasant effect on our ear. Such sound is called noise. For example, sound of a heavy machinery and slamming of a door are the example of noise. What is musical sound? Such sound which are pleasant to our ear are called musical sound. Now I am going to discuss topics of 8 and 9 worksheet, which consist of intensity of sound, acoustic, ultrasound, and last one, uses of ultrasound. What is intensity? What is intensity? Sound energy passing per second through a unit area held perpendicular to the direction of propagation of sound wave is called intensity of sound. Intensity is a physical quantity. The unit of intensity of sound is watt per square meter. The subtopic of topic intensity is sound intensity level. What is sound intensity level? The difference L minus L naught between the loudness L of an unknown sound and the loudness L naught is called intensity level of unknown sound. The sound intensity level of different sources are different. For example, sound intensity level of rustling of leaves is 10 decibel and faintest audible sound is 0 decibel. Bell and decibel are the unit of sound intensity level. And 1 bell will be equal to 10 decibel. So next one, acoustic. What is acoustic? The technique or method used to absorb undesirable sound energy by soft and porous surfaces is called acoustic protection. So next one, ultrasound. What is ultrasound? Sound of frequency higher than 20,000 Hz which are inaudible to normal human ear are called ultrasound or ultrasonic waves. And last one, uses of ultrasound. Why ultrasound is useful in medical field? In medical field, ultrasonic waves are used to diagnose and treat different ailments. For diagnosis of different diseases, ultrasonic waves are made to enter the human body through transmitters. Number 2, powerful ultrasound is now being used to remove blood clots formed in the arteries. Number 3, ultrasound can also be used to get the picture of thyroid gland for diagnosis purposes. What is sonar? Ultrasound is used to locate underwater depths or is used for locating objects lying deep on the ocean floor, etc. The technique is called sonar. Sonar is stand for sound, navigation and ringing. Now I will guide you how to solve these worksheets. Your task contain 4 worksheets. These 4 worksheets cover chapter number 11, sound. You should solve MCQs on the provided worksheet and attempt short and long question on your need notebook and also write down short question answer precisely. Draw neat and label diagram and graphs where needed. Six worksheet given to you look like that. You should mark these MCQs on given sheet. Section B and C consist of short and long question. Write down the answer of these questions on your need notebook as I mentioned before. The 7, 8 and 9 worksheet given to you look like that and also solve 7, 8 and 9 worksheet just like the 6. Thanks for listening and watching. Dear students, at the end I will advise you which is very essential for your life. Do work with honesty because honesty is the best policy. And stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.